Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to turn on notifications on Instagram. First, open Instagram app and log in to your account. Then go to settings and tap on notifications. If the post all function is on, you will not get any notification. Tap on it to open notifications. And choose notifications types that you want to receive: DM, posts, stories, comments, likes, etc. But first, check the general settings of your device. Make sure you allow the Instagram app in the notifications section. To do so, go to Device Settings and tap on Notifications. Find the Instagram app and tap on Allow Notifications. Choose the notification type, and you can do it also at Instagram app settings. When you receive a new message on Instagram or when one of your friends shares a new picture or video, you must turn on notifications to be notified immediately with a badge. So, you get to know your friends' social lives and use Instagram more effectively. If you don't do that, using Instagram may sound a bit boring. You should participate in social life. Improve your interaction by writing comments on shared content. It will be more fun to use Instagram if you get more followers. The fact that notifications are turned on makes the Instagram app more fun. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.